The African gray parrot is an extraordinary bird. It mimics human sounds, can learn over 100 words, distinguishes between colors, adds numbers, and shows empathy for others. An African gray is loyal and makes strong attachments. For these reasons, it is not surprising that this magnificent bird has become a popular pet all over the world. But the trade in African grays is internationally illegal, and it is murderous. More than 2 out of 3 captured parrots die before even being sold to pet shops or pet owners. It is heart-wrenching to watch. Today, the African gray is endangered. Sadly, almost no one is doing anything about it on the ground. I am Terese Hart, and my husband John and I are conservationists that have been working in Congo for over 40 years. We are resolved to stop this trade at its source, right here in Congo. Why? The center of the trade is here on the forests of the Congo River. Thousands of African grays pass through Congo's airports every month before being shipped out into the world. We've made important steps in the first year alone, thanks to an amazing group of Congolese. Parrot captures are now forbidden in some parts of Congo. A rehabilitation and release program is underway, and communities around major parrot populations have asked for help in protecting their birds. This is progress, but we need funding to keep moving forward. We need help now to make sure that we completely stop this illegal trade in African gray parrots. And we know from our past experience here in Congo that stopping the trade in African gray parrots is an achievable goal.
Mwen ende hivi vile. Anaruka vizuri. Angalia anaruka vizuri.
Ule iko na nguvu kabisa
sana. Nafurahi.